Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup. On the application of REDnote, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of REDnote. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about REDnote. Here you can uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.